Welcome back. As we promised, we are going to cover together or to continue to analyze together the efforts exerted by the state to move to the future, to green hydrogen, to renewable energy, and to diversify our renewable energy resources. To shed more light on the very important file, we are very much delighted to have with us via phone engineer Dr. Sameh Nomaan, Professor of Energy Engineering and Renewable Energy Expert. Thank you very much for being with us, sir, and a very good morning.
Good morning, to you and all the viewers.
Sir, before going into details, there are still many people who do not know why it's called the green hydrogen. And they also heard about blue hydrogen. Why those two colors?
Green hydrogen and blue hydrogen. Green hydrogen usually we obtain from distilled water using renewable energy. But blue hydrogen usually taking from gas. And so the difference, green hydrogen have no carbon oxide. Blue hydrogen usually free of oxide carbon.
Sir, it's all the time called the future. When it comes to green hydrogen, even the non-experts, but who knew just a few things about the potentials which the green hydrogen file has, it's always named like that, the future, the tomorrow. So it's not a luxury anymore to work on boosting this sector. In your opinion, sir, as an expert, why green hydrogen is the future of renewable energy?
It is in future because everything in the world depends on this green hydrogen. It contains usually it is used for cars, for light vehicles, usually in industrial. And everything we need in our life, it will be dependent on green hydrogen.
You mean, sir, here I can talk about the daily life routine of the ordinary citizen, and in the same time regarding factories or even mega projects, true?
Yes.
If you please elaborate on that.
Please again.
What are the most important uses of green hydrogen, whether in the daily life of a normal citizen and in industry?
Yes. It is used for green ammonia. It is widely used for manufacture and for agriculture fertilizing ammonia, in the manufacture for pharmaceutical, textile, metal industrial, pesticide, and other industries.
Yes, sir. And regarding climate change, of course, climate change now is one of the most important challenges facing the whole world, not Egypt, not Africa, but the whole world. How the usage of green hydrogen and renewable energy in general is going to help fighting climate change?
See, if we back to the rules from Europe and USA, usually they put around $280 billion to change from fossil fuel to green energy from the next year, all the next year. And this is make all people guided to using green energy and ammonia and green ammonia.
Yeah. So, sir, is there a difference between green economy and green growth, or they are the same?
No, there exists a big difference.
Please elaborate.
Yes. For green ammonia, sorry,
Hello?
Yes, I hear you now.
Sir, can you hear me well?
Yes, now I hear you now. You are speak about the difference between green economy and
And green growth, if there is difference.
Yes, there is green economy, a kind of organized way to create a clean society and environment that raises the economic level and pushes society towards the better life and maintain the environmental balance of all forms of environmental diversity. But green growth is a term to describe the hypothetical part of environmentally sustainable economic growth. Economic growth is the primary goal. Economic growth must be separated from use of resources and harmful environmental impact.
Then, sir, I can easily say that the usages of green hydrogen have no disadvantages, or still there is something which we should work on?
No, there is this disadvantage, two important disadvantages. First, it needs very high electrical power to obtain hydrogen. First. Second, it is flammable. So when we use it, we should make very care to use this hydrogen because it is flammable.
Well, Engineer Dr. Sameh Nomaan, Professor of Energy Engineering, thank you very much for your input, sir, and have a very good day. As we said earlier in our episode, Egypt is filled with wonderful, stunning areas. And now we are going to go to the Luxor of the Delta, San al-Hagar or Tanis. Tanis is the old name of San al-Hagar. And if you go there, you are going to discover that you are in an open-air museum, one of the most important and, in the same time, beautiful places you can ever visit. And it's going to take you back in history for thousands of years. And if you are an Egyptian, you are going to feel that proud of being an Egyptian. Tanis.